Ready? Oh man, wow. Good morning. So here we are. What a journey this has been. This started 2 weeks ago. This is a beautiful 4-bone beef rib that we are turning into pastrami. So it started by trimming it up a little bit and going into a brine. We brined it for about 8 days. We pulled it out, we dried it, and then we let it set up in the refrigerator so it could get nice and dry and start forming that pelican. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna smoke it. We're gonna smoke it on some oak and cherry. We're gonna go about 225 for about 4 or 5 hours, check the temperature. Then we're gonna steam it. We're gonna steam smoke it. Now what I like to do is I like to do like a nice Guinness in there, let it nice and steam till it gets tender, and we'll take it up to about 203 or so. But this is where New York barbecue guys meets Katz Deli. Nothing better than Katz Deli. They make the best pastrami in the world. So I use a little bit of a spicy mustard and I make my own rub. This is coriander, black pepper, garlic, granulated onions, some brown sugar, some spice, and we're gonna make a nice little crust on this thing. Now, like I said, I do pastrami every year, and it is a time-consuming process, but it is delicious. We're talking gorgeous. So, link below for the recipe. Subscribe, follow, like, and share. That's all I ask of you. Have a great day. Ooh, that looking good. Okay, here we are. So we're at about 157, and they are looking gorgeous. I mean, there's nice pullback already. I mean, look at the bark on that. So what I'm gonna do here is I think I'm gonna go down on this, although I actually want a little bit of steam, but these bones are, hot. These bones are pretty big. I'm gonna go this way on this, and this way. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a Guinness because it's like after 12 somewhere. No, it's after 12. And I'm not gonna need the whole thing for here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a little steam bath now. We're gonna steam this up to about 203. Then we're gonna pull it out of this. We're gonna wrap it in butcher paper and I'm gonna stick it in my cooler for a couple hours. So we got a nice tight little seal here. We wanna keep that steam inside, and we're still gonna keep it on the lower and slower side, and we're gonna stick it right back in here. Okay, it's been a long day. That sun's a little bright still, but I don't know if you can see from here, but you gotta look at that bark. Look at these ribs, hold on. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Look at this, it just melts. The color. Pure pastrami right here, beef rib pastrami. Ready? Oh man. Wow. Let's just try that again. Whoa. Come on. Come on, one more time. Ready? Whoa. Oh. Cannot see how clean these bones are. Oh. I gotta go, I'm going in again.